Miss-Rosier.com claims to be an elegant online fashion boutique selling chic dresses, trendy outfits, jeans, tops, sets, and accessories, and with over 700K followers on Instagram, it certainly looks like a fashion destination worth exploring, but is it truly reliable? Or just another cleverly marketed fast fashion trap? On the positive side, the store has been around since 2023, which gives it more credibility than brand new pop-up shops. It maintains a strong social media presence with high engagement, and it promotes sustainability through eco-friendly fabrics, ethical standards, and even factory audits, plus offering customer support via email and live chat. However, digging deeper reveals several concerns. The website itself doesn't feature authentic customer reviews, relying instead on external platforms like Trustpilot and Reddit, where the feedback is quite mixed. Some shoppers love the stylish, luxury-inspired looks, while others complain about cheap fabrics, inconsistent sizing, and poor stitching. Shipping and returns also raise red flags, with reports of long delivery delays, high return fees, restocking charges, and difficulties getting refunds. And although the brand markets itself as UK-based, many customers note that their orders are shipped directly from China, which creates doubts about transparency. So, while Miss Rosier presents itself as a glamorous and ethical choice, the reality seems to be a blend of positives and negatives, making it a store that requires careful consideration before you decide to shop.